Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the external puck antenna module, loosen the captive screw that secures the puck antenna cover to the chassis. Remove the puck antenna cover to access the bolts on the puck antenna cable. Loosen the bolts on the puck antenna cable. Disconnect the puck antenna cable from the SMA antenna connector on the chassis. To reinstall the external puck antenna module, align and connect the puck antenna cables to the SMA antenna connectors on the chassis. Tighten the bolts on the puck antenna cable to secure the external puck antenna to the chassis. Slide and push the puck antenna cover into its slots until it clicks into its place. Tighten the captive screw to secure the puck antenna cover to the chassis. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.